But he's a good cook.
He is. Can I write that?
Yeah, but he makes such a mess.
And the best father-in-law makes the best spaghetti squash. Recipe coming up. So I'm gonna follow Lonnie's recipe. I'm gonna start by slicing the spaghetti squash in half, and then with a spoon I'm gonna scrape all the seeds out. Then I'm gonna sprinkle both halves with olive oil, add salt and black pepper to taste, and then a very generous amount of garlic powder and a little bit of butter in each half. And this is at my father-in-law. This is his Traeger smoker. It's set to 350 degrees. At home I'm gonna make it an actual barbecue grill. And I actually ended up baking the spaghetti squash in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So I baked the top side or the bottom side for 45 minutes and then flipped it over and baked it for another 45 minutes.
I've already turned them over.
Oh, that's right, they were the other side up. Okay, so it's been an hour and a half, you would say? An hour and a half, so we're taking them out. So we baked them for 45 minutes on each side for total time of 1 hour and 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I am recording for a video. Watch your mouth. Alright, so you just take a fork, two forks.
Oh, because it's hot. I'm just starting to pull it out.
And you have to pull it out while it's still hot?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna take over from here.
Okay.
And I did the same thing at home. So you have to pull the spaghetti squash with the fork while it's still super hot. That's why you need two forks so you don't burn your hands. So be careful because that thing stays hot for a long time. So this is how much spaghetti squash we got out of one squash. And Sharon added butter and what else? Just butter?
Pepper.
Butter and some more salt and pepper to taste. And it looks fantastic. I hope you tried this recipe, it's very delicious. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!